An abundant war. Until the philosophy.
Richly blessed, richly blessed. Welcome, 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 welcome to Community Scope with your Turpik and Solomon, the Blessed One. It's good to have you on right here indeed on Hottwax Blaazing FM and UIC Liberty TV. We are gonna take you places you never go, yes, and things you never hear. It's accurate, yes. It's news, reviews, interviews, and information to your fingertips. We take you to the nook and cranny, yes man, of Jamaica and around the world. Our spotlight is bright, and when we turn on the spotlight, it shines like the sun. It's Hottwax Blaazing FM Community Scope, brought to you by GDG, KSH Double Live Communications, and UIC. Come with us right here on Hottwax Blaazing FM Community Scope, brought to you by UIC. Yes indeed, we're gonna be giving you a little bit of inspirational music, put some pep in your step, and then when we come forward we give you information like a crocus bag of things right here indeed on Community Scope. Soon come.
Which old one race superior and another inferior is finally and permanently discredited and abandoned. Well, everywhere is war.
Hey, the sweetest thing can be the bitter. It's got you in the fat, you know, yes, man. Yeah, man, from here, the voice, you know, see a job, and I'm represent for Hottwax Blaazing FM. So, I want you guys to tune in with King Solomon for some live inspiration, positive vibration, music, some interviews with some new talents as well. Remember, a Negril, newest and baddest radio station. So, I want to subscribe and stay tuned and make your ears intact. You hear that?
You know, we have to be very careful in this time. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, listeners and viewers who haven't gotten their COVID vaccine as yet, need to look at this and take note. Let's keep you informed that Jamaica do have a third registered political party, the United Independent Congress, led by their president, Mr. Joseph L. Patterson. They did have a peaceful demonstration last year, and the theme of it was My Body, My Choice, or it's Your Body, Your Choice, whatever. And it was very memorable and historical moments. We will now bring you to that moment, some of those memorable and very, I would say, informative moments. Take a look and share your views with us right here in Community Scope.
Andrew Holness, Andrew Holness, freedom of speech. My choice. My choice. My choice. No force. No force. No force. No force. My body. My My choice. My choice.
My body.
My choice.
My choice.
My choice.
My choice.
My body.
My choice.
My body.
No force.
No force.
No force.
No force.
Freedom. Freedom.
No force. Come back on.
Marcus, we want you
Yes,
right
I'm gonna see you
here.
on the block again, brother. Up Ashanti, man. Okay. Good to see the eye, man. In a them energy, yeah. No, man, I don't mean that. For the spiritual radio. No, I don't mean that. But I mean what you usually eat for No, no. No, 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 me not the Me hear about it. Cool, man. My body. My choice. 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 My choice.
Hey, the sweetest thing can be the bitter. It's got you in the fat, you know, yes, man. Yeah, man, from here, the voice, you know, see a job, and I'm represent for Hottwax Blaazing FM. So, I want you guys to tune in with King Solomon for some live inspiration, positive vibration, music, some interviews with some new talents as well. Remember, a Negril, newest and baddest radio station. So, I want to subscribe and stay tuned and make your ears intact. You hear that?
You know, these are moments that we take you down memory lane just to show you that there's never a dull moment in Jamaica. This is Community Scope. I'm telling you, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this was some special moments in Jamaica, as you saw in the clippings. Now we will be sharing with you some information from the president of the UIC Jamaica, Mr. Joseph L. Patterson, taking you to class with the topic Dog Nyam with Suppa Long Time. This is very interesting. I want you to sit back and, of course, listen to this very, very, very informative and edutaining. I call it that word, underline that word for you. Take a listen.
You know, Dog has been yamming Jamaica supper for some time. As a matter of fact, the two colonial parties and particularly their leaders, and by leaders I'm not talking about just one person, the leadership, and those who are closest to it, have been yamming our supper for a long time. In fact, they have been yamming our supper for 78 years now running, and maybe they're calling themselves the Dog, but indeed they have been yamming our supper through all kinds of corruption mechanisms that they have engineered in all of the different ministries and agencies and all of the different projects and programs that they carry out. All of them are designed with corruption embedded in them, whether it is in the old days when they used to give contracts to the dons in communities so that they could reward them for doing bad things in the communities to ensure they bring in the votes, to all kind of schemes like the rural read schemes in our schools and institutions, and so many other mechanism that we're yet to fully understand and hear about, because they have such a close-knit system that many times, and most times, we don't see the corruptions. Many of them are legitimized. They have all kind of money laundering schemes within the system of governance, where they launder taxpayers' money, out of the tax coffers and into their own pockets, while pronouncing all kinds of programs and all kinds of giveaways, which are designed to steal our money. So dog and nyam suppa, long time, 78 years dog and nyam suppa, and the question is, who are the dogs? Yeah? And so from time to time they come out and they call each other dogs, and they tell us and give us glimpses into what the other side is doing. And you might recall in recent times they have been competing on trying to define which of the two is more corrupt. But at the end of the day, we, the Jamaican people, are suffering. Our schools are suffering, resulting in a poor education system and a high degree of failure rate in our students. Our healthcare system is suffering, and as a result, a high degree of malpractice, which are significantly affecting our people from childhood all the way through adulthood. Our security system is suffering with a highly corrupt, inefficient, and ineffective police force that is causing the nation to be crippled by crime, an economy that is lackluster, that continues to lose industries and continues to lose in local ownership, and more of our economy is being ceded to foreign powers, and more Jamaicans are having a hard time finding work, and if they do find work, the pay rate is not sufficient and in keeping with the high cost of living. Our dollar continues to decline or stagnate, or our purchasing power is eroded. Inflation is killing us. So dog is already namming our supper. We're living in fear. We're living behind bars. Our streets are a danger in and of themselves. We not only have drivers who have driver's license without passing the proper driving exam, and therefore not having the intelligence and skills to properly drive on our roads, making them operators of weapons of mass destructions. We also have a lot of corruption and bribery in the system of vehicle fitness, which means there are many unfit vehicles on the road. And on top of that, the roads themselves being poorly designed, poorly built, and poorly maintained creates opportunities for crashes, people trying to dodge pothole and end up crashing into other vehicles. Not to mention the double taxation of having paid tax and then having to pay for expensive repairs because of the very bad road. So dog and nyam with supper like crazy. Dog and nyam with supper like crazy. And again, the question is, who are the dogs? I think we all know who the dogs are. And it's time for us to get rid of those dogs. Not only muzzle them, but get rid of them, because they're not even providing security.
There you have it, the president of the UIC, United Independent Congress, Mr. Joseph L. Patterson. The question asks, who are those dogs? Never a dull moment in Jamaica. I call it edutainment. Yes, information. And the gentleman is really educating you, Informative. Very, very educational stuff right here on Community Scope. Now we say to you, your health is your wealth. Did you know that? Your health is your wealth. Makes sense, A lot of people go there and, of course, working very hard and toiling very hard to make a lot of money and put their health behind. And afterward, you got to pay out all of those money to take care of that health. That's not right. Of course, Hottwax Blaazing FM Community Scope is right here, indeed, to inform you, to educate and to inspire you, right here, indeed. Community Scope, information to your fingertips. What we're going to be doing right about now, we're going to be taking you, of course, to some information that, of course, some of you never get this before, but maybe some of you have it already. But health is your wealth. So we take you to this chapter to know more about the mango leaf. The mango leaf has a lot to do, and it can help you in a lot of ways. Let's take a look and a listen to this right here in Community Scope. Talk to me.
Mango leaves. A potent home remedy that few people know about. Today, I will show you all the benefits of this natural treasure for your health. Before you unveil everything about this fruit, tell me in the comments from which city you are watching this video, okay? The mango is a tropical fruit with infinite medicinal properties. Rich in vitamins, potassium, and magnesium. But it's not only the fruit that is good for our health. Its leaves are also amazing. Mango leaves have healing properties, which can be more effective than the fruit itself. It is rich in therapeutic and medicinal compounds that have powerful antioxidant properties. Stay with me until the end as I show you the correct way to prepare mango leaf tea. But first, I'll tell you the top 5 benefits of mango leaf for your health. Number 1, it relieves respiratory problems. Mango leaves are excellent for all kinds of respiratory problems, especially for colds, bronchitis, and asthma. Number 2, remove toxins from the body. Mango leaves can speed up the detoxification of the body, removing excess water and sodium and helping the liver eliminate toxins. Number 3, remove kidney stones. Due to its diuretic properties, mango leaves help eliminate kidney and gallstones. Number 4, helps treat diabetes. Mango leaves are very useful for treating diabetes. It is rich in tannins, which helps in the natural treatment of diabetes. Number 5, a powerful expectorant. Mango leaves have expectorant properties. Its tea is an excellent way to release phlegm deposited in the respiratory system. Now that you know the main benefits of mango leaf, let's prepare the recipe. You will only need 6 mango leaves and 1 liter of water. Start by washing the leaves well. Place the water in a pot and bring it to a boil. When it is boiling, add the 6 mango leaves. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I would like to pass on a message that is in Proverbs 21:31. One prepares the horse for the day of battle, but it is the Lord who gives the victory. This verse, however, makes it clear that the victory belongs to the Lord. He is our protector, our guide, and our salvation. After our message for the day, let's continue. After that time, turn off the heat and let it rest for another 5 minutes. Now just strain it and it's ready. It is advisable to drink it 3 times a day. Remember that this tea should be consumed within 8 hours after it is ready, so as not to lose its medicinal properties. Was this video useful for you? I really hope so. Thank you for your company during the video. May God bless you greatly. A kiss and until the next video. Bye.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for that. A couple of persons out there really need that, you know? And we offer, of course, information right here on Community Scope to heal, inspire, to motivate, and to create an atmosphere to give people hope that they can know that, guess what? All is not done and put on. Yes, she. We pray that you have a blessed and a productive, energized and beautiful day, morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever time it is, whatever country you are at right now, listening or viewing this broadcast right here indeed. Stay safe and remember, with God all things are possible. On behalf of the Hottwax Blaazing FM team, GDG team, and UIC, this is your therapy, Ken Solomon, saying stay positive, stay blessed, and remember to subscribe, comment, like, and share our YouTube channel. It's Hottwax Promotion, HOTTWAXXPROMOTION Promotion, right here live, of course. And we also can be seen on the UIC Liberty TV. Yes, indeed. Large up the team right there, the president and all the executive, the directors and all candidates. Yes, indeed. We're going to be highlighting some of the candidates and coming to scope right here. So stick and stay for that. Look out for that. Very, very interesting chat. We're going to be doing some interviews and stuff you want to know about your candidate that will represent in the UIC for the upcoming general and the local election. Indeed. You can call us right here at 1-876-582-2704 to be a guest or a sponsor or a donor right here indeed of Community Scope. Bless up yourself and love up yourself for a time. And remember, be positive. Love is the answer for all things in the world today. Bless up yourself every time.
Is finally and permanently discredited and abandoned. Well,